ಚಗುಳಿನ ಇಡುವೆ. ಜಲಧಾರೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಣಕಣದಲ್ಲೂ ನೀನೆ ನೀನೆ ತುಂಬಿರುವೆ ಮನಸಾರೆ ಬಡು ಕಾಡಿ ನೀ ಬರುವಾಗ ಸ್ವರ್ಗವೇ ನಾಚುತ್ತಿದೆ ಎಡೆ ಚೆಲುವೆ.
That was truly a divine performance, filled with grace, devotion, and serenity, a perfect beginning to our celebration.
Now comes the most anticipated part of the afternoon, the cultural extravaganza. Each performance you will witness tonight is a blend of creativity, rhythm, and enthusiasm, showcasing the spirit of our student. So please sit tight and enjoy the upcoming interesting performances. To warmly welcome each one present here, our adorable nursery kids are ready to spread cheer with their delightful welcome dance. Let's greet them with a huge round of applause.